subscriber, you don't know the thing on NEWLINK there from NEWLINK production people, and don't know, so we are coming with a news right now, because a thing has happened in Kingston now, people, and I tell the boy, Jano, yo, thing turn up a yard, you know. When we say the thing turn up, the thing turn up a yard, people. Some things that happen sometime and we don't know, you understand? Because the latest victim is a couple people, a man and a woman, was gunned down in a place them call them Wecombe Avenue, where they close to Grand Spen. Because it is said that this morning at about 3:30 a.m. residents hear the explosion, you understand, and alerted the police, you understand. And some of the residents, they must say, where them say what go on, and NEWLINK go tell her. Because it is said that as until 3:30 a.m., the man and the woman are walk on the road, people. That are Wecombe Avenue, them are walk, you understand. When a car drove up, they said that the man them from the car, fire a shot, hit the man and them armpit, people. The woman was shot 4 times in her face, over in body, people. You get me? When police, the resident, they call and police come on the scene, they're already dead. Them they on the ground dead. When them search, them find 2 bags containing clothes and night, people. Residents from the community, they must say, yo, them don't know these people, you understand, because they are not from the community. And they must say, in recent days coming on, months and things, you understand, several local robbery are going on in this community, and it's normally a quiet place for them to experience them things. You get me? So, that's now viewers and subscribers, boy, we don't know. But when you look into this thing, you understand, you can definitely say, sister, this thing was a target thing. And the woman was the main target of this, you know. But the man maybe be at the wrong place at the wrong time, or maybe because with the woman. Because when I do check it out, people, the man was shot 1 time on them armpit. The man, you know, the woman was shot 4 times over her body, in her face. Just imagine. So they really need the woman for dead. Maybe the man did that give him a shot, never want to kill him, but you don't know if a bullet can go so boom and maybe lead to somewhere else to your heart. And that armpit so can go to your heart and kill him. You know what I mean? So I don't know. There's a clothes containing bag. So when NEWLINK look into this and analyze the whole thing to my point of view now, my people, may I say, you know what? One day if this woman did have a man, she try maybe move from the man or something go down, which the 2 bag of clothes tonight, where them a travel with or something, and this brother, you know, maybe him and the man will go put up the woman and them a lead the woman to go female now, and the man, for the woman just come now and see her and done, or maybe just give this man a shot and say, you know what, you're the wrong place at the wrong time, should have there served me woman, but then they want to kill the man. You know what I mean? When we look into it, but at the end of the day, people, thing turn up a yard. See, it turn up. And as I can tell, I say, killings going on in Jamaica, most of these killings are targeted killing. You understand? People and people have problems. You know what I mean? 90% of them killing and now come because a man see a man and kill him like that for no reason at all. They have problems, and as we tell her, people are dealing with them situation different. It's not like the days before when a man go come to you and say, yo, big man, you know, so you should do that, or a man go come to you, woman, and argue. Man artist, mankind artist, different now. Them take the thing different. That's why I tell the people, I'm saying, listen, if you can stay out of trouble, stay out of problem with people, don't get yourself in the wrongs and try mix up in a things on enough, you get mixed up in a with people or know people business. You understand? Growing up, my grandmother say, yo, see I'm blind and hear and deaf sometime, you know what I mean? So some things, yo, it better you just to preserve a life. You know what I mean? Stay out of problem with people. I'm gonna try to build argument, you try your best with secular conflict there. But it don't make no sense. A man come with and you try to be aggressive to the man too, because that aggression can lead to something else. Because maybe in the end, you maybe think say no, so maybe this man and tell him say, oh boy, maybe go suck your mother or something like that. And if he say yo, suck your mother and it done. Maybe when you go man start think back and think different and can knock you out there. So you don't gotta tell the people. So you know the day, yo, it's not a good look, it's not a normal look, but it's happening, it's going on, and everybody see it and know. You understand? And we just have to pray for the better and the safety of Jamaican citizens. Them, you understand? No, the police, them do them work, but as we tell the people, just imagine, they said this community was a quiet community, and see it there, people they do. So, you don't know the thing go. If you are my subscribers, I don't know, this is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, coming to you with the breaking news. I don't know the thing, and remember to please subscribe and please share, you know what I mean? And hit that notification bell icon under the video. So as NEWLINK drop the video, then you can get them. Don't know say NEWLINK Kids Treatment, and my contact, everything is under the video in the description, so you can check below you want to contact NEWLINK because you want to support the Kids Treat and everything for review, advertisement, and you know what I mean, anything, don't know. For bookings, link up NEWLINK. Big up on yourself, people. Enough love, enough respect, peace. I'm out. Blessings. Big up.